Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowing is Doing. My name is Angel. Today I am doing Ajio Kurti haul. I bought all these kurtis from Ajio website with very good discount, so I could get it under 200. And if you are really looking to buy these kind of kurtis, I'll give you some tips. Best time to buy the kurtis with very good discount is when the sale is going on with 60%, 66% or 70%. Many people will be buying when the sale is going on, so the kurtis gets over very quickly. And when we add these kurtis to the cart itself, that time itself it says like it is out of stock, it is out of stock. So how much ever kurtis if we add, most of the time it goes out of stock. So to avoid this, what I do is like I will add 10 extra kurtis to the bag. So suppose if I am buying 5 kurtis or 10 kurtis, I will add another 10 kurtis extra. So maybe you can add same kurtis different sizes or same kurtis twice. So like that you can add it if the stock is there. Sometimes only one kurti will be available, so that time you cannot add. And what will happen at the time of billing, again it will go out of stock. So many of them will go out of stock, then rest of them will be under 2000 rupees itself, so that we can buy. If you add very less numbers of kurtis, what will happen when the kurtis goes out of stock, then your bag total will reduce, then you will not be able to apply the coupon code. So this is how I buy kurtis. So I got many kurtis like this. Previously when I was buying, I was not aware about these tricks or how to get it, all these things. So my friend used to get kurtis for 150, 170, 199, 200 and all, whereas I will end up paying more for the same kurti. And I used to do one more mistake, like I will select some kurtis which is not under the discount. So what will happen, again I will get offer only for one of these kurtis which I added. So again I was not aware how to do this, so I will again end up paying more price for the same kurtis. So to avoid this, you ensure you are adding the kurtis whatever is there from the discount sale, so that we can get discount for all the kurtis whatever we are buying. Next time when I put the video, I will give some more tips so that it will be helpful for you. And I will do one end-to-end video how to buy the kurtis with very good discount with detailed explanation. Hope that will help you if you really want to buy the kurtis. And let me show you these kurtis one by one. I just kept all the medium kurtis on top of each other, so we can see the length of the kurtis and you can understand the difference of length. Even though the size and brand is same, the length differs. The first kurti which you are seeing is from Fusion brand and medium size. This is again off-white kurti which is having floral design across the fabric, and in the front they have kept Rani pink color button, and it has round neck, beautiful neck, and only the top two buttons we can remove it. Also wherever the buttons comes, they used to attach one extra button, either it will be in the tag or it will be attached inside the kurti which is near to the tag. This kurti is having 3/4 sleeve, and if you look at the sleeve, it is already folded and stitched, and they have given the strap as well. Strap also it is non-removable, they have stitched it, and they have kept the same color button here as well. And this is looking very good, and this fabric is also very thin. Whenever the color of the fabric is light, it is looking very thin, and if the color is dark, then it is coming like a little more thick. This is rayon fabric. This fabric is little thin, so to avoid this transparency we need to add something inside, and either we can wear some white inner, or red will go very well with it. Whenever you are wearing white, you try with red, it will go very well. And this is a low high kurti, and the sides also the cutting, it is oval shape cutting they have given, and the stitching it is very good, it is looking very nice, and they have put very small stitch as well. I will show you the length of this kurti. This low high kurti is having 108 centimeter, and the front portion is having 95 centimeter. We can pair this kurti with contrast color Rani pink legging, or we can wear it with the off-white legging as well. It will go very well with it. And let me show you the next kurti. This is a yellow kurti from Avasa brand, and this is also medium size. The color is bright yellow, but with the lighting it is showing a little different. It is exactly same as how it is showing in the app. And the neck, if you see, it is round neck, and there is a open in the front, and this gives a very good V shape. The buttons and the tassel in the front is the real attraction of this kurti. It has print small design across the fabric, which is really looking nice. And I will measure the length of this kurti and tell you. All these are medium size only, but the length of the kurtis are really different, and this is having 103 centimeter. Though the kurtis are from same brand, the length of the kurtis are different, and if we are 5 feet, all these will fit for us, all will come below knee only. But if you are above 5 feet, I think if you want a long kurti, don't go for all this. And if you are okay with wearing this with palazzo and all, then I don't think the height of the kurti will be a problem. And this is having a 3/4 sleeve, and there also it is having that same print, and there is no other design in the sleeve. And the slit of this kurti is also very nice. It has that long slit, and they have put this straight cut only. And this is normal thick cotton only. We don't need to worry about the thickness. It is really thick enough. Let me show you the next kurti. This grey kurti is from Avasa brand, and this is also medium size, and it is having round neck, and the front they have given that V shape, which is really looking nice, and it has print across the fabric, and this is really tall. And comparing with the other kurtis, I will measure the length and tell you. And this one in the front they have given this different design with the same color combination, and the same design they have given in the sleeves as well as in the bottom of the kurti. The kurti is looking more beautiful than whatever they have shown in the website, and it is having that very rich look because of the golden print which is coming in the fabric. This is viscose fabric. It looks similar to rayon, but it is little more thick and it is shiny. We can pair this with the same grey color pant, it will go very well with it, or even golden will go very well with it. Comparing with other kurtis, this is longer than others, so if you are more than 5 feet, maybe this kurti will suit for you. All these kurtis, which is 499, is having the same average height of the kurti, like 5 to 10 centimeter difference will be there. But if you go with the higher price kurtis, that is really longer. So even I have put other video with medium and small size. They are having 110, 113 centimeter length. This kurti is having a 3/4 sleeve, and they have attached the same border in the sleeve as well. Let me show you the next kurti. This magenta color kurti is from Avasa brand, and it is having a very rich look actually. It having this golden print across the fabric, and they have given golden embroidery in the neck. It's not only with golden, it is having that golden and orange color embroidery, and even in the print they have given the same color combination, which is looking very nice. And a year ago I have paid 330 rupees for the same kurti plus tax and plus delivery charges, but that time I was not aware about how to buy this kurti with discount, but now I got it with 199. This fabric is really good. Even after wash it will not go at all. I have washed multiple times, and I have given after wash review also for the other kurti. Only the color was different, but here it is magenta, other one was a peach with the pink color mix. And this is a cotton fabric, and it is having that motifs across the fabric. This kurti is short comparing with the other kurtis, so don't buy if you are tall. If you are above 5 feet, if you are okay to wear with some palazzo or something, yes of course, otherwise it will be above your knees only. Even I am just 5 feet, and for me itself it just comes below the knee. And this fabric, it is little delicate as well because of the extra design whatever comes on top of this fabric. This we can pair it with golden color pant or this rani pink color pant also, and if we can wear with a nice palazzo, this will go very well with it. And this one we can wear it as a party wear, it looks very nice. And we can wear it with orange color pant also, which will go very well with it. And I really like this. This is having that straight cut in the bottom, and if we have one single golden color pant, we can pair it with most of our kurtis because of this golden design and golden print. And this is having 3/4 sleeve. Because of the rich look in the front and this heavy embroidery, we don't need to wear any dupatta, we can just wear like this only. We can increase the worth of this kurti by doing extra design on top of this prints, because this color is very bright and it is like a function wear and only. And or we can attach some beads on top of it, it will give really nice look altogether. We can even pair this kurti with bright orange color legging, which will go very well with it. And if you are tall, then go with the palazzo or skirt as well. Even if you have golden color printed skirt, it will go very well with it. And the sleeve also, they have given the same embroidery which is similar to neckline. And let me show you the next kurti. This is a peach color cotton kurti, and this is again from Avasa brand, and this also I got it for 199. And this kurti, they have given some extra 3 buttons over here, simply like a show. On the right hand side you can see it, and it is having round neck. This is very simple but it is very elegant as well. We can wear all the time. It is having that pink color print across the fabric, and in the near to neck they have given different kind of print. As it is having this shell button, we can even wear this with a white color or off-white pant as well. This is having 3/4 sleeve, and they have attached the same design in the sleeves as well, and on the bottom of the kurti is also having the same design like neck. This kurti is ideal for summer wear because it is very soft and it is nice cotton. And this kurti is having a slit in both the sides, and they have given straight cut. We can actually check the height of the kurti before buying itself. Normally they mention our model is this feet and they're wearing this small or medium kurti. Based on that information we can understand whether this will suit for us or not. And that's all about this kurti. Let me show you the next kurti. This kurti is from Avasa brand, and this is again medium size, and this kurti is a cotton kurti which is having a very rich embroidery in the front. This kurti looks more beautiful than whatever they have given in the website, and the color of the kurti is blue. Actually it is that blue and green combination, and this is having that yellow and green embroidery which is giving a nice look, and it is having that golden design as well. And it is having round neck and the long cut in the front, which is giving nice look. Only the front part is having this embroidery, rest all is print. That small floral design is made of print, and if you want we can actually give another stitch on top of all these flowers and make it even more beautiful if we know embroidery. This is a cotton kurti, and it is having that motifs across the fabric. They have given normal straight cutting for this kurti, and it's having slit as well, and this fabric is looking very nice. Let me show you the next kurti. This kurti is from Avasa brand, and I bought small size. This is rayon fabric, and it is having that dark blue color design across the fabric. This is actually lime yellow. With the light it is looking little different, and this also I could get for 199, which is a very good deal. And when this discount sale goes with 70%, even we can get the same kurti for 150 as well. But the only problem is that kurtis gets out of stock very quickly, and it will be very difficult. This kurti is having 100 centimeter length, which is a very good length, and it will suit for most of us, I think. This kurti is having straight cut, and it has slits, and the border whatever they have given is the highlight of the kurti, which is looking very nice because of that golden color and black. We can pair this with white, blue or black as well, which will go very well with this kurti. With light bright color kurti we can use dark color legging. It will go very well with it. And this is having 3/4 sleeve, and which is also little long comparing with the other kurtis. Let me show you the next kurti. This white color kurti is from Fusion brand, and this is a small size kurti. This is having a big floral design across the fabric, and in the front part they have given buttons. Only top 2 buttons we can open it, others we cannot open it at all. This is a low high kurti, and the front portion it will come near to the knee only, and if you are tall then don't go for this. It is actually milky white kurti, so we cannot pair it with pure white legging or dupatta. As it is having mustard yellow buttons in the kurti, we can pair it with mustard yellow legging or palazzo. It will go very well with it. This big floral design actually giving a nice look. The model is wearing peach color pant, which is going very well with this as well. Since this flowers are having multicolors, we can pair it with any of this. Even black will go very well with this. I normally buy only this kurtis, and I will adjust with whatever color pant I am having. I have lot of leggings, so we can always wear any of these old legging with this kurtis, which will go very well with it. This is having 3/4 sleeve, and in the edge they have already folded and stitched it. We cannot open it. This is having the strap along with the button. It is stitched together, so we cannot open it at all. It is having slits in both the sides, and the stitching in the bottom part, if you see, it is having that oval shape cutting, which is giving very nice look, and it is looking like very wide. And the stitching of the kurti is also very nice. They have put very small stitching which will last for long time, and they have given overlock as well, so this stitching will not go at all. We don't need to put extra stitch, and I really like this kurti. And let me show you the next kurti. This is a navy blue kurti, and this is again from Fusion brand. This is a plain kurti which is looking very nice. This is with the light it is showing little different because of the back side, that red color reflection is coming. This is really dark as same as it is showing in the website. And this also I got it for 199. This kurti is having that half sleeve, and it is already folded and stitched together. It is having a strap along with the same buttons whatever they have given in the front, which is actually giving a nice look to it. And we cannot open it, it is stitched together. And this button, it is really looking nice. It's a golden metal button whatever they have given. This is a low high kurti, and we can pair it with a jeans or a palazzo as well. This will go very well with it. And this is having that oval shape cutting in the sides, and the stitching is also very nice. Let me show you the next kurti. This kurti is from Avasa brand, and this is XL size. This is green color, very light green, and this is having floral design across the fabric. This is rayon fabric, and it has buttons in the middle. They have kept dark red color buttons in the middle. It is looking very nice. This kurti is having a very nice width, and near to the slit it is having 60 centimeter, and the length of the kurti is 1 or 2 centimeter, which is similar like others only. For this price it is actually a very good deal. Even in the shop we will not get for this price at all. I will suggest you to buy whenever the offer is coming, otherwise we will end up paying more for the same kurti. And whenever offer is coming, the condition is only for the price, not for the item. So you can add even the kurti, legging, all this combination also you can add it together and buy for 2000 rupees. Then also you will get the same discount. Bottom part of the kurti is looking very nice. It is having oval shape cutting, and the stitching is also very good. They have put small stitching, so the stitching will not go. And inside they have given overlock as well, so we don't need to put an extra stitch to use this. We can use just like this only. All these kurtis are having an extra stitch next to the slit, which will protect the slit, actually the square stitch, which will not go at all. And that's all about this kurti. Hope you like my video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. If you don't like, you can dislike as well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.